Hello students, today I will discuss about surface tension. Here we can see some liquid is kept in a vessel. Let it be water. Now I have some liquid molecules are just at the level of the surface, just below the surface, and some liquid molecules are below that level. So some liquid molecules are just touching the surface and some liquid molecules are well below the surface. For this type of molecule, say this is the molecule just touching the liquid surface is A, and this one is B, well below the liquid surface. So for this one, you can see that lateral forces are there and downward force is there due to the attraction of the liquids, other liquid molecules, what we say as intermolecular force. Okay. But here, for this liquid molecule, all sides we are getting the forces, lateral forces, upward forces, downward forces, all side forces. But the liquid molecule which is just touching the surface, there we are getting the lateral force and the downward force, not the upward force. So what is happening? Some downward pull is acting on the liquid molecules which is just touching the upper surface. As a result, what will happen? The liquid molecule, liquid surface, the upper surface of the liquid will be just little bent due to the downward pull, and this membrane will act as a stretched membrane. Okay, and that is the cause of the surface tension. That is the cause of the surface tension. Now, if I denote surface tension by T, then force per unit length F by L, that will be actually the surface tension. Force per unit length. Along the length it is measured. So what will be a unit? The unit will be Newton per meter. Sometimes you will see some ant, there is a small vessel, water filled, and one ant is moving from this side to the other side on through water, means on the surface, walking on the surface of water. That is very light and the surface is acting as a stretched membrane, so it can walk. Another very good example is that you take one blade and a container filled with water. Now you place the blade horizontally on it, just very slowly on it, on water surface. Place. You will see it is floating. If you keep the blade in this way, just you touch the liquid surface, then you move your hand slowly, then you will see it is floating. But if you keep the blade in this way, as I have shown here, if you keep the blade in this way, it will pierce the liquid membrane and it will go down. But when it is like this, then the liquid membrane supports the blade to float. So that is the cause of surface tension, and some examples also I have described. Hope you have understood. Try to subscribe my channel and give like wherever is possible. Thank you.